Now in its fourth year on air, theCORE TV has phenomenally captured a growing viewership from socio-economic masses A to E. With the unwavering commitment and dedication of the people behind the station, theCORE TV has indeed become a household name in the local community. At present, theCORE TV produces 10 unique and innovative shows, namely Wake Up Ilocos, an infotainment show that touches on the Ilocano pride. It offers a variety of information and entertainment in a happy, healthy balance, from special and interesting segments on travel, health, fitness, housekeeping, child rearing to showbiz and local talents. Mom's the Word, a talk show which aims to empower, educate, and entertain the mothers and other viewers as well. It's every mother's partner in leading a full life, as it features various topics on parenting, husband and wife relationship, personal crisis, beauty, and entertainment. Poptastic, a music show of its kind that features the hottest major label hits and the biggest gems from Asia, and a healthy dose of indie music. Game Time. It's all about sports, a program that features different kinds of sport events, full of information and action. Game Time also aims to discover and develop promising local talents, which we call Game Idols. Triplan, a program that serves up both entertainment and information. The program takes the viewers to various captivating places here in the country. theCORE, a fast-paced, late-afternoon local news program that delivers news that matters. The program covers local issues, major events, true crimes, controversies, and sports. Biagko, a current affairs program that allows the narrative to be told by those who lived through it without the filtering voice of a host, bringing stories that aren't quite happily ever after, but underline the strength of human spirit. Gago Clock, a program full of laughters. The fun never stops as the gaggers go wild and crazy. Let's talk. Get to know a different side of our local personalities as they share real stories about themselves in this one-on-one talk show. From here, theCORE TV continues to expand by creating more groundbreaking programs suitable and accommodating for every Ilocano audiences.